we're gonna be taking apart the transmission and trying to, you know, clean it up, inspect the gears, make sure everything inside the transmission is working correctly. So we're just gonna go through the process of how to take apart this transmission. First, we're gonna start with taking out the transfer case. It's 14 millimeters here, 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 and here. Take that off and just pop the whole unit off. Basically just like that. Okay, so far we've taken out the transfer case. As you guys can see, it's off. We're just having to drain out. We're starting to take apart some of the bolts, take apart the shift assembly, and then start going around the case to take off all the bolts to remove the upper half. Okay, these are the bolts that came from the actual transfer case. One is missing, but these are what they look like. Next, we take out the D10 springs. This is the first time taking this apart, so okay, for the all-wheel drive transmission, they have 3 D10 springs, so we have to take those 3 out. This is number 2, and there's one on the back. Sorry, it's actual 12. Apparently my magnet is not strong enough. Do it this way. So that's 2, and the third one's on the back. Sorry, this one's a 14 in the back of the case. And this one is the 3rd D10 spring. Okay, so let's recap 1, 2, and 3. Those are the D10 springs. Next is just, I believe these are 12 for the shifter housing. So just gonna pop that out. Okay, so this is the first time doing this, as stated before, so I may be doing stuff in the incorrect order. but that's kind of what this video is for, to also help me retrack what I'm doing. So these two will be a little longer than the other threes. So the two on this side are longer and the other three are pretty short. Okay, let's see if this works. So just tap it a little bit and it comes off. Seems like it's just held in place with gasket maker. Here you go, that's how that comes out. You just, there's a screw right here in the top. Just take it out and just wiggle this out and it pops out. Okay, like that. Basically, that's how it's put together inside the transmission. So now that that's off, we're just going to start taking off the screws from around the housing. These are all 12, so I'm just going to use the gun. Okay, comes out like that. Comes out like this. Basically, around this area right here, this goes in like that. Next will be take the screw out from the top, which I already loosened. guys can see, there's a little washer. You just gotta spread it apart, pry the case up, and it should come off. I hope. Okay, there's one more screw inside the housing right here. Just gotta take that out. It's a 12. Just inspecting it to make sure there's nothing else hiding anywhere. Okay, good. Guess you my good luck charm, mama. Yes. There it is. It is off. Yes. I have no idea where this goes now.
You will find it when you have time.
Wish me luck. Okay, so here's the update. The diff is out. Suspension is out, axles are out. So I just decided to try my best to clean up underneath here with some rubberizing spray. So just washed everything out, the front and the back. Just waiting a little bit longer for it to dry up. Just waiting a little longer for it to dry up. And the issue is, so I'm sending these out to Dry Shaft Shop, hopefully. I'm waiting for them to give me a reply, and if that works, then I'll just have those axles made to run the car. And here's the transmission also, just been trying to clean it up. So basically this week was just cleaning up, inspecting, and just basically make sure everything is correct. So next, we'll be doing it here. So during the week I plan to just take everything out, and then we're just gonna paint the base so it looks semi-decent.